Hey guys, welcome. This is Alik from NatureWithAlik at beautiful Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard in a new location in Moorpark, Southern California, just 15 minutes away from my home. And I'm so happy to see you guys. It's amazing, beautiful day today. And first of all, I would like to thank to all of you guys for subscribing to my channel, for helping me to relocate, for helping me to build a new beautiful future for our Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard over here in Moorpark. Huge thanks from bottom of my heart, guys. That's a big teamwork and I really appreciate. Okay, lots of topics during the week, and I made so many videos. Like even today I'm gonna do the Robles Red. We're still fruiting Robles Red. I have at least 5, 6, 7 fruit on this one plant, and it's gonna be nice and beautiful for the holidays. Next week Hanukkah is coming, and then Christmas is coming, and the New Year is coming. Lots of holidays coming, and enjoyable time with family and friends. And I wish you guys all the best, and definitely enjoy your time. You deserve. It's been the whole year so busy with for me especially, was very busy with lots of work, 16 hours a day work, 3 farmers markets, lots of customers, lots of videos. Up to this day, today we already have 170 videos on our NatureWithAlik YouTube channel, and thanks to all guys for your subscriptions. So and you like my videos, and that's gonna be distributing throughout the world. Okay, so beautiful holiday time coming, and I would like, whatever you guys would like, a couple days I still gonna be able to ship Saturday, Monday, then we'll have another little bit travel. So, and I'll be sharing you with nature with you guys from other parts of the world. This year was very good. We had the time with family, and managed between the seasons to run fast. I went to Israel in January to celebrate with my family events. Then in March I went to Frank's house, my buddy, okay, the Filipino buddy. I enjoyed the whole week at his farm, and helping him to a little bit to grow the to establish his farm with the dragon fruit, the palms, and the fig. So much he's been doing, and he still continue to improve and expand his ability to grow and sustainability in the local area over there, Mabitak Laguna. Very nice, such a friendly people in Philippines, and you definitely need to travel in order to see the big huge difference between like American lifestyle and people who live in far away countries, how tough it is, and survival. It's those especially those mountain locations where I've been, people living for like $5-7 a day and hardly making money to selling the coconuts and sell some kind of fruit. Rice is a big deal. I've been eating rice over there 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner was rice, and that's the survival definitely over there. You're gonna see lots of videos about the rice, and I'm sure you've seen the video how I was harvesting the coconut from the trees. That was the funny one. And you're gonna see more. I got chance to go with my family to Japan and Hawaii. Little videos. That was a good trip as well. So and right now hopefully I'll be able to enjoy the East Coast, go to Florida, and share some videos. Hopefully I'll be able to meet some more dragon fruit enthusiasts and growers in the Florida area as well. Okay, so here we go. Today is, like, as you can see, we got the beautiful Robles Red. I see over here, I see some the Vietnam white still growing. There's a Michelle fruit over here. It's already cracking, so that's interesting. Michelle has been giving me fruit for since like June, July. I've seen the flowers and fruit. Okay, I'm gonna be continue. Please subscribe. That's gonna be a testing today. Israeli yellow today. Okay, so that's gonna be another test today. And all the way at the end over there, far away, there is a Desert King 16, another fruit. I'll be doing the testing as well. So hopefully we'll be able to share with you guys all this information. You can see as many as fruit I still have, so it will be nice to harvest and share with you the whole information. Lots of people coming. I'm very, very happy that lots of people coming to my orchard, and they can even see from the freeway people seeing the dragon fruit turning around and exiting the freeway and getting to my place. And in previous video you saw already train is coming to my orchard. So here we go. We got people can come from all over the parts of America and the world and getting access by train, and just a train station just around the corner over here. So people can even get to me by walking or biking by using the bicycle. Okay, so I can meet you guys over there. We're getting ready for the Olympics in a couple of years. You know, all the tourists would be able to come via the train from the Los Angeles area, and they can just stop over here. I can pick you up from the train station and come to my beautiful orchard to enjoy. That's the plan. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot opportunities for you to enjoy the world. I can show you how pretty is far away. It will still continue. This is just a half of my orchard, and lots more to build. And definitely, you know, all of this needs investments, and we're going to be talking about this in the separate part. Why is the dragon fruit so expensive? Which first part was already released with the paper. If you didn't see, pay attention to those videos, you know. So, and second part is going to be how to build a farm, and then third part would be how to distribute your fruit and plants and cuttings as well. So lots of work, lots of learning experience I'll be sharing with you guys, and definitely looking forward. If you still haven't got any gifts, guys, for your family, for your loved ones, for the holiday season, if you'd like to get some plants and cuttings, please, this is the last chance to get a hold with me. So within a few days I could be able to ship for you for your Hanukkah gift or Christmas gift, New Year gift, you know, whatever, for friends and family. You know, they love the dragon fruit and they'll be happy to grow it. I'll be so happy to send it to you guys so you can enjoy it as well. And here we go. Beautiful dragon fruit orchard. You always know how to get a hold with me. My phone number is 323 area code 547-1273. Here you go. Once again, my card 323-547-1273. Okay, get a hold with me if you have any questions, even how, what, and where. You know, I'll calculate everything, the cuttings, the shipping, everything you got immediately to your phone, so the total price would be available. Lots of varieties. I'll be able to text you back the list of my varieties. And if you're looking for more unique varieties, definitely the whole community will be able to help you, and I'm here to serve you as well, guys. Okay, thank you so much again. Thanks for your support, guys. Wishing you happy holidays. Enjoy your time, and beautiful greetings from Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard to all of you around the world. Bye bye.